Love it how it starts up without needing throttle?
Starts up without needing throttle, yeah, fucking.
Oh!
What a fucking idiot.
Holy shit!
What a fucking idiot.
Bro! What the fuck are you doing?
Should've just hit him.
I should've just hit him.
What? Yeah?
Get your fucking... Are you out of your mind? What are you doing? What are you doing? Did we make contact? Did we hit?
No.
Check, open, go, leave it
Mans are good, stall. I would have felt it. Mans are good.
You sure?
Mans are 100%. 100%. You didn't hit her. I would have felt it. Yo, you dodged it and then you sent it in. You should have just plowed into it.
I tried to do that. Yeah.
Yo, your body won't let you. I'm telling you. Like, your body reacts to dodging. And then you're like, fuck. And then you sent it back.
I'm so cheesy.
Yo, you could have fucking sent it into her, bro.
I'm scared.
Look at this fucking guy. What are you fucking
Where do you come from,
Wake
man?
up. Wake up, man.
Wake up, dumbass. Dumb fuck.
Looking at me. Why are you looking at me, dog?
Holy fuck. Fucking moron! Where the fuck do you come from? Idiot. Holy fucking shit. Fucking. Oh! Nice save, nice save, nice save! Yo,
fucking idiot!
We got, yo, Sarah, you go, fuck it. He didn't hit you, right? What the fuck, man?
Are you to play a midnight? Are you with
What the fuck?
Are you?
Oh my god, a fuck. What the fuck kind of shit was that?
You got a flat. You got a flat on the left side, I think. Yeah, it's a flat.
No, the wheel's about to come off, dog.
No, it's not.
How much you want to bet?
Go,
I
check.
can see it. I
pull
can
it,
see
pull
it.
it, pull over. Let me see.
Okay, hold on.
Go.
There's a guy in my blind spot. Hold on. Yeah, this wheel's about to fucking bust
Let's
out.
see. Pull over. If we get hit, yo, holy fuck. Yo, wait.
Film it. Hurry up, man.
Who's that? Wibbly wobbly, yo. Yo, go before he shoots at us.
Holy shit.
Pull over, dumbass. That's fuck.
Holy shit.
I've never seen something that happen.
Oh.
Hold on. That's the funniest shit I've ever seen, yo.